You can go to places like Navy Federal, American Express, Wells Fargo, PNC Bank, and get a $25,000 credit card with a new business. What's up, everybody? We're going to talk about how you can start your business credit today. And if you're new here, welcome. For my people that's been here, as y'all know, I don't like my time being wasted, so I'm not here to waste yours. But before we get started, make sure you smash that like button and hit that subscribe button, because I will be dropping every single day. So y'all stay tuned. And I'd like to give a special shout out to Florida James for the comment of the week. For my supporters, this is a prime example for what you shouldn't be like.
Oh, hell no!
Hating or just straight being a troll will not get you anywhere. I promise you that. But shout out to all the haters. Y'all keep me going. And just know, to Florida James, I'm not gonna block you because I want you to keep watching. I want you to see us win. Congratulations on comment of the week. But back to what y'all are here for, the easiest way to start building business credit. And that will be NAV. And I'll have the link below for you guys. NAV is free to join, and it's basically like what Credit Karma and Experian is to personal credit, but for business credit. Although NAV is free, they do have a paid subscription. And what's great about this subscription is if you do decide to use it, they will report a trade line to your business credit report. So all you have to do is pay a monthly subscription and you'll have business credit. And it only takes about 30 seconds to get started. So I would recommend y'all to use the NAV app if you want to get started in business credit. This subscription is $49.99 per month, and it will give you access to all your business and personal credit reports. And remember, these payments will report to your business credit report as a trade line. So getting started with business credit is that easy. And for the people with no business credit, this is a no-brainer. Another thing about NAV that's pretty cool is that you can see what credit cards, business loans, or lines of credit that you qualify for. And what you guys need to know is, in order to start building business credit, you have to be an entity registered with your state. For example, like a LLC or a corporation. And you also have to have your EIN number. And what I like to tell people all the time is, if you're looking to really build business credit, you want to have good personal credit. And when you do have good personal credit, you can skip a lot of these steps and go straight to the bag just by PGing these business credit cards. And a PG is just personal guarantee. If you don't have good personal credit, you can just take the steps necessary to building a strong business credit profile while you work on your personal credit. And notice I said while you work on your personal credit. This is because having a good personal credit profile is essential to maximizing your funding potential. When you go into places like PNC, Truist, or Wells Fargo, they're gonna ask you the personal guarantee for those business credit cards. The majority of business credit cards, you will have the personal guarantee. And when you go in there, you wanna make sure you have a 680 or above, no negative items, and your utilization is below 10%. Yes, I said 10%. 30%. That's bullshit. You want to keep it below 10 because going off 30, you're going to get denied every time. With most of these business credit cards, you can have good credit and go personal guarantee with a brand new business. As long as you got low utilization, no negatives, and your projected income is up there, you're going to smack them high limits every single time. When you start talking about lines of credit and loans, they're gonna require your business to be 2 years. So y'all wanna always keep that in mind. I say all that to say that all of this will be difficult if you do have bad credit. So if that's the case for you, you wanna start off with something like NAV, so you know you're moving in the right direction while you're fixing your personal credit. But if you do got good personal credit, go get a bag. You can go to places like Navy Federal, American Express, Wells Fargo, PNC Bank, and get a $25,000 credit card with a new business. If you go get all those credit cards, that's 100 racks. You can start running the big plays once you have access to that type of funding. So to recap everything, anybody can start building business credit with the NAV app, as long as you have an LLC and an EIN. But if you do have good credit and you want some high limit credit cards, you can skip all those steps and get straight to the funding. The banks just want to see that you have good personal credit, a business in good standing, and that you're projected to be very profitable, and they will give you a bag. I'm living proof. So y'all make sure y'all keep tuning in and learning how we all are going to run up a bag this year. And make sure y'all like and subscribe, because y'all know I'm coming with it every single day. And always remember, the top ain't going nowhere. You just got to get there. Let's get it.
Had to go and get it. Steady grinding just behind the scenes. I've been on a mission. Gotta touch him by any means.
Said we can go eye for eye.